TikTok people, no run come here. This one crowd.
Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Yes. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. And I hope it'll be a successful year for each and every one of you. So guys, I come up on a video. Somebody sent me that video here and I laugh. I laugh and I sad. People, if you don't live a foreign, and no family at Jamaica no beg on no barrel. Don't take up on no old crosses and couches out on no house and send go get the people them. That's very bad. That's very disrespectful. This lady, our family from Canada, send her a barrel. Me nah laugh. Nah. And the things that I see in the barrel where the woman send her sister. No. That not right. The shoes them, all the bottom my shoes them and drop off. The clothes them look dirty and moldy. Don't do it. Don't do it. You see, if you don't have the money if you buy this stuff them for your family, tell them you don't have it. No pack up your junk them. Don't take up on a junk them and send go get the people them. You know right. You know right. Jamaican people know style. Jamaican people know stuff. You know tappy. I know in a 1929 or 1919 we there. You know stop it. At the year of 2023 we in a modern time. Uno stop do it. I send 2 barrel go give my sister them in a December and I pay good stuff me put in it. Food stuff. Me send stuff when me eat when me know them we eat. Uno stop full up a barrel them a Campbell soup and then something. The Jamaica people don't know about them something there. Uno tappy. Uno is tappy. And some of the people with Jamaica too, when people send on a barrel, you have to be grateful too. When a good stuff in it, you can be grateful. But when a bad stuff in it, me not wrong enough and lash out. Because if me did a Jamaica somebody send me a barrel like that, mother go mad because me pay to clear the barrel. So people, that not nice. You stop it. I don't know if it tell them so not send them barrel. When you know so not good in a barrel. And then the people them have to pay them money to clear the barrel. Me, if I'm a lady here, me have return back the barrel to sender. Cause them something not right. I pay all junk in it. The clothes them. Me I look on the clothes them and me know say them clothes smell moldy and frownsy. And look at the shoes them how them dirty and the heel them and drop off of the shoes. Lady, me not wrong you. Return the barrel to sender if you can. That not nice, man. You know if you stop it. You know stop it. Jamaica people use so good stuff. I don't know that. You know come from there, I don't know that. You know if you stop it. Stop walk out and pick up all crosses and couches and send go in a family at Jamaica. Stop it. So people may go make it go over, go watch a video and hear what this lady have to say. Comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. No man. And remember, put on your post notifications so each time I upload a video, you get notified. Until next time, let's go over and watch the video together.
Imagine, my sister send this barrel from Canada. Nobody never beg her or nothing. And a matter of fact, I'm not beg. I'm very independent. I'm going to say none of my siblings them out here are wear them shit. The way they something them all and the real and mash up and pop up. By the time I'm going to the ship and rock 2 times, them start to dismantle, everything start pop up. You know, so the way me start going bad, and my sister call her same time she have to send back my money we clear the barrel here. You know, so the foreign people are run receipt people, nobody never big her nothing. And she claims she have some stuff up there that you can send down to her sibling them. And we must share it up. Share up what? Why she and her mama never keep it up there? I not beg people because I'm independent. And my sister work hard. Nobody, none of we never want none of this because we never beg her nothing. Disrespectful. When them take Jamaican people for them take off eat that people not help me make this go viral. Please and thanks. Because this one crowd don't run come quick. Come this one crowd don't come over here so. Come over here and repost this like no. Please and thanks.